In this video, we are going to solve a problem on bond order. The question is the correct order of the oxygen-oxygen bond length in O2 molecule, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide and ozone is, they are given 4 options. You have to find out which oxygen-oxygen bond will be the longest and which one will be the shortest. In order to solve this, you should know the bond order between oxygen-oxygen atom. The bond between oxygen is a double bond. When you go for hydrogen peroxide, it is single bond. When you go for ozone molecule, we get one double bond, another one single bond. But there will be resonance. Because of that, we will get one more structure. In that, the double bond will become single bond and the single bond will become double bond. So these two are the resonance structures. In general, you can write like this. It is obvious when the bond order is high, the bond length will be short. That is, in the case of oxygen, the bond length will be very less. When you go for hydrogen peroxide, since it is single bond, it will be very high. When you go for ozone, it is not exactly single bond or double bond. The bond order is in between 1 and 2. Because of that, the bond length should be in between oxygen and hydrogen peroxide. So the bond length will be maximum for this. After that, we have ozone. Finally, we have oxygen. Oxygen molecule has shortest bond length among these 3 compounds. The same problem can be asked in another way also. That is, the correct order of the oxygen-oxygen bond strength, not length. Instead of length, they can go for strength. When they go for strength, double bond is more stronger than single bond. So the bond strength will be more for oxygen than ozone, finally H2O2. So peroxide bond, it is very weak, it can undergo cleavage easily. On the other hand, oxygen is very stable molecule. So instead of bond length, we can go for even bond strength. The same question may be asked with nitrogen analog also. They can give nitrogen molecule, azide and hydrazine. This is single bond. So which bond length will be longer, which one will be shorter? Or what will be the bond strength? Which one will be the stronger bond? Here the bond order is 3. Here it is 1. Here it is 2. But when you go for resonance, it may be more than that. So it may be more than 2. So say it is around 2 point something. So the bond length will be shorter for this. Compared to nitrogen, it will be somewhat longer for azide. Then for hydrazine, it will be the longest. When you go for bond strength, it will be the opposite. Similarly, we can go for carbon analog also. Carbon-carbon triple bond, carbon-carbon double bond, carbon-carbon single bond. This bond length will be shorter, this will be the longest. The bond energy will be more for this and it will be less for this. So based on this, we can go for bond strength, bond length and bond order.